Prog. We're over in Lake Ann Brewery, and we've got their Oktoberfest. Hello, you fellow beer travelers, and we're on the road today. And welcome to Craft Beer in Michigan's Brewery Spotlight. We're spotlighting today. We're out in Lake Ann, Michigan, and Matt Therian, the owner, him and I have chatted about the good old days and all that, and I've got his Oktoberfest. We're in the middle of the Oktoberfest season going on right now. We're having a great time with it, and we want to make sure that you have the opportunity. Next weekend, the 4th, they're going to have their Oktoberfest celebration, and I'm giving you an opportunity to find out what the beer's like when you stop by Lake Ann Brewery and have their Oktoberfest beer. So, it's one of my favorite styles, and let's take a look at this thing in the glass. Look at that, golden, you can see through it. Fantastic. It looks right to style. I know I'm going to enjoy this, so all right, take it to our nose. Ooh, I'm getting a lot of malt. I'm getting a little bit of sweetness, a little bit of caramelization going on there. Beautiful. All right, guys, I know you've been to your beer fridge. I hope you've poured yourself an Oktoberfest. You popped that top. Prog. Down here at Lake Ann, a friend of mine, I called him, and matter of fact, John Morris, he's walking back to the table. Fortunately, John's, he's not drinking a Oktoberfest. John's drinking a stout made here at Lake Ann Brewery, and he gave me a little history of the namesake on it. So it's always nice. I called him up and kidnapped him and dragged him down here as part of the video. But let's get back to the beer, everyone. Let's take it to our lips. Let's see what we get. Right to style. It is nice and easy to drink. My mouth is full, and it's got that caramelization, the maltiness. Very, 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 very easy to drink. The legs on the glass, you can tell that they clean their glassware very well. Too bad I don't have a big bubble stein to drink this out of, but the 16-ounce pint will do just fine. So Matt's out here at Lake Ann, and why we like coming out here, he's probably got the best musical performers. He's always got somebody out on the stage playing. Fantastic place. The Stone Corner is right next door. You can order pizza, and their ice cream shop, unfortunately, I think this is their last weekend for the ice cream shop. It's just the way the nature of the business is. So see if I can get back in there. The sun is coming over and taking over and blending me out, but that's all right. I'm outside. I'm sitting on a deck. It's going to be packed around here today. People are going to really enjoy, and they get a chance to drink a fantastic Oktoberfest. So, Matt, thank you. John, I do appreciate you stopping by and joining me, and we're going to have a great beer conversation. So, make your way to your local establishment, get an Oktoberfest from them, and do what I'm doing. If you're going to have a beer, make sure you have a great one. Here we go.